Give you 10 seconds. It's PT Usha at Los Angeles. 55.42 in 1984. The meet record V Leelavati 59.35 at Kochi 2008. The lineup here, lane 2 and 3 are vacant. In the meanwhile, on the far side of your picture frame, Uttam Patil comes up with a no throw. In lane number 5 is Archichige Dasuni Kaushal. Lane 4, of course, is the Indian. So that's the lineup there. Arichige Dabale. For the women, Neha Dabale 59. We'll come back to the javelin at the end of these 400 meters hurdles. That's the one more final for you coming up after the men, where Ruchit Mori won a gold for India, Karnabag a bronze. So the first of them is in lane number 5. In fact, she's in lane number 6 there. Originally listed to run in the same number, 6. In lane number 5 is Kaushal of Sri Lanka. In 4 is Olambi Steffi. In the 400 meters yesterday, and also the 4x400 meters mixed relay, a gold there and a silver yesterday behind Patak. And the last of them in lane number 3 is Loku Satsar of Sri Lanka. So 2 Sri Lankans, 2 Indians. The hurdles, the cliche, of course, first coined by that great coach Jeff Dyson, that hurdling is sprinting. Of course, as you watch, it encompasses 3 words: the nature of hurdling, that of getting from the start to the finish with the same controlled power as a sprinter. First with ease. Neha Dabale, the 2 Sri Lankans, looks close at the far side. Clearing the back straight now. The Sri Lankan takes that lead. Will she be able? That's lane number 5, Kaushal of Sri Lanka, where the separation will start taking place. The 2 Sri Lankans going to the lead. It is Kaushal Satsar in second. You got Olimba Steffi trying to catch up, but I think that's going to be difficult. It's the girl next. Olimba Steffi, there she takes it away. Number 5, Arachige Dasuni Kaushal of Sri Lanka. She takes the gold. The Sri Lankan Satsar should take the silver. And the joy surely, as Sri Lanka pick up their first gold, they also pick up a silver in the process. So 58.6. Arachi Kaushal, that's Satsar of Sri Lanka, 59.24. Olambi Steffi has to settle for a bronze. 1 minute 00.21 for India, the bronze.